So good morning to one present over here, respected ma'am and all my dear colleagues. So today I am Mayank Dhanik in front of you to want to tell you my experience of PCI journey. So it was very fantastic. So first of all, I want to express my gratitude towards ma'am and all my friends to give me a wonderful opportunity to speak in front of you to all. So I still remember when I joined first time PCI in 2016. So I was very shy and introvert at that time. I was unable to speak in the front of audience because I have a fear that people just laugh on me and how will they react. But after some time, PCI just helped me to overcome from the fear. They just removed all the hesitation from my mind and become me a good speaker in front of audience. So first of all, I want to tell that at the first when I joined PCI, I just make only friends. But when I joined it twice, so I just make a family here right now. So I want to thank to all of you who just support me in my journey and who just support me when I give a lot of things in the front of audience. So I just want to share my experience when as all of you just know that I am a college student. So I have faced a lot of interviews in more than 80 plus companies. So I got rejected from all of that. But later on, when I just rejoined the PCI, I got the result in only 1 month. I got the opportunity from 3 plus companies for an intern. So it is a great thing, and it just helped me towards my future. So it is all because of ma'am and sir's guidance for shaping my future. So I want to suggest for those who are learning in PCI and who will just join in future, I want to suggest you that just go through your PCI modules, whatever in that, just focus on that. There are a lot of things like lexicons, PD tips and many other things. So just focus on it and you will become a good presenter and a good speaker in front of audience. And the second one thing is that PCI organize a lot of activities in every days, just like GD debate, presentation and many other fun activities. So just participate in it and it will definitely remove your hesitation in front of audience and you will become a good speaker. So at last I just want to say thank you from my heart to ma'am and sir for giving me such a wonderful opportunity to be a part of the PCI and helping me in my journey. And I hope that you will just help me in the future also for shaping my career. So thank you for listening.